So he said that banking is important, not banks. What does that mean?
Yeah, so basically the rules of conducting the business is more important. So when that is set right, then the banks will survive, or else you don't survive.
No, that is not the intent. Although what you said can be a vague point, but that's not the main point. Any better thoughts on
No.
that? Okay, so basically, from time immemorial, what is happening is people are actually been exchanging value, right? So it was like you give me some land, I'll give you some 5 cows. You give me 1 cow, I'll give you 3 goats, or some kind of barter was the
Barter.
was the mechanism to exchange value traditionally.
Mhm.
And now banking has come that okay, I'll give you some value based on some investment that you do or some. So banking is evolved to that current form now. And what typically happens with a bank is that in the Indian context, it is said that if a guy has to come to your bank customer's banking portal and do business, it requires 40 rupees for him for the bank to service the customer. He physically comes to the bank's location. But if the same customer goes to an ATM and he does all the transaction, it takes only 4 rupees to service the customer, it seems. And if the guy actually does app-based banking from a mobile, it takes only 40 paisa for the customer, for the bank to acquire that customer. The bank's cost is so much more. All the while, all these guys are doing banking only in different forms. Banking is important. They need to exchange value. That is important. But how you really do it is immaterial. That is the whole point. So what's typically becoming important is that the business of how your business is important, but today it is being done using a real estate space. You have so many developers who spend AC money, time, spend the real estate, rent in an upmarket place for an SBI or ICICI or a Citibank, and then at the end of the year you do your plus and minuses. There's a lot of overheads that your business has when you are actually doing it like that. Whereas now banks in Dubai also and in UK there's a bank called Atom Bank, which is got a completely app-based. You can open
Digital banks.
completely digital bank. You can open and close an account in 10 minutes, provided you have a social security number, and do full-fledged banking using just an app. So imagine the amount of real estate that you're saving, the AC that you're saving, and the amount of people who need to the server, the salaries of all of those people who need to be there in the bank. So banking is important, but not banks. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the form of a bank. It could be cryptocurrencies, digital currencies, bitcoins, or wallets, or any such sort of stuff. So people need to exchange value. How you do it is immaterial. So that is what business architecture helps you to think. It helps you to think in very strong and deep into how your operating model actually works. What is your business motivation for being in the business? What is your driver? So those are the things that when you wear an enterprise architect's hat, you will actually be consulting those aspects when you go to a customer. They'll say, okay, I'm doing this is what I'm doing. Can you suggest me some alternate ways in which I can actually capture the market or be better at what I'm doing? That kind of stuff. So those are the things. Yeah, those are the things that we'll actually be looking at business architecture, and companies in Australia, US, in India also the field is slightly picking up. I've talked to a few companies wherein they have business architect roles, but in Canada, Australia, US, UK, and I'm not sure Middle East how it is, but there are a lot of these business architects. I know guys who are deep down technology centric guys. They are wearing an enterprise business architect kind of a role after like 18, 20 years of working, and they say I'm going to be. So you know a quite a bit about the domain. Then you know how to do it. You mix technology and business, and then you solve problems.